Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit this 1 hour headband. This headband is done in rounds, and if you like the main stitch pattern, you can check the head video tutorial that is posted long time ago on my YouTube channel and blog. Here I want to show you that this part of ribbon looks a little bit longer than this one, even though all parts has 3 rounds of ribbon, but at the end we did 1 round of binding off. That's why the upper ribbon looks a little bit bigger. That's why I suggest you starting with 4 rounds instead of 3. For this tutorial I'm using absolutely amazing yarn from Morocco. It's vintage colors. It's written it's a medium weight yarn, so you may use any medium yarn. And of course I do suggest it has some wool, not only acrylic. And I'm using a 3.5 millimeters knitting needles, circular one, and I'm using 40 centimeters length. And of course you may use double pointed knitting needles or longer circular knitting needles. And let's get started using long tail cast on method and 3.5 millimeters knitting needles cast on 88 stitches plus one extra stitch. We are going to use this stitch to join and knit in rounds. So slip the first stitch to the right hand needle, then pick up the last stitch and slip it over the first one and drop it off the needle. Return first stitch back to the left hand needle. The number of stitches has to be multiple of 4. Now place stitch marker and start ribbon knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1 till the stitch marker. Purl 1, and again knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 till the stitch marker. I have finished first round. Round number 2 will be the same as round number 1. Go on knitting ribbon, knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Go on finish this round and then knit 1 or 2 more rounds. I've done 3 rounds, but you remember at the beginning I said make 4 instead of 3. And now let's start the main stitch pattern. Purl 3, knit 1, and let's count again. This is round number 1. Purl 3, knit 1. Purl 3, knit 1. Purl 3, knit 1. Go on and finish this round. Round number 2 will be the same as round number 1. Again, we repeat purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1. Go on repeating till the stitch marker. Round number 3, purl 3. Now we will make 3 stitches out from 1. So knit through the front loop, then make yarn over, and then knit again through the front loop. So we have done 3 stitches out of 1. And let's repeat. Purl 3, now again knit through the front loop, yarn over, knit through the front loop again, and only now drop stitch of the needle. And let's repeat. Purl 3, knit, yarn over, knit, purl 3, knit, yarn over, knit, and purl 3. Please go on and finish this round. Round number 4, purl 3, knit 3, and repeat. Purl 3, knit 3, purl 3, knit 3, purl 3, knit 3. Please go on, finish this round. Round number 5. So we have to make here a decrease, but I will show you how to do it at the end. Now make purl 2. After that, next purl stitch and knit stitch, knit them together. Knit 2 together. After that, knit 1. And here make left lining decrease, so slip, knit, pass over. Now again, purl 1. Let's repeat. Knit 2 together. Knit 1, slip, knit, pass over. And let's do it again. Purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, and now left lining decrease, slip, knit, pass over. And let's repeat. Purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over. Go on repeating till the end, and at the end I will show you last decrease. Here I am at the end, so I have done knit 2 together. Now knit 1, and here we have to make slip, knit, pass over. For this, remove the stitch marker and place it 1 stitch back in this way. Now make slip, knit, pass over. And this is the first stitch of the next round already. So we count it as a first stitch already of the next round. And now the last round number 6, we knit all the knits and purl all the purls. So you see the purl stitch, you purl it. Purl 1, after that knit 3. Again, purl 1, knit 3. Purl 1, knit 3. So go on and finish this round. At the end we have purl 1 and knit 2. That's it. Now we are going to repeat everything starting from round number 1. You remember we did purl 3, knit 1. So this is the central stitch. And again purl 3, knit 1. Purl 3, knit 1. Repeat the pattern last 6 rounds as many times as you want, and at the end repeat rounds 1 and 2 once more. So as you may see, I repeated the pattern 3 times, so 1, 2, 3. After that, I repeated rounds 1 and 2 once more. After that, I've done 3 rounds of ribbing as at the beginning, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and now I am ready to start to bind off stitches. Knit the first stitch, knit 1, purl 1, and then slip the first stitch over the second one. Now you see knit stitch knitted, then slip over, sorry. You see purl stitch after, then purl it and slip over. Knit 1, slip over, purl 1, slip over, knit 1, slip over, purl 1, slip over, knit 1, slip over, purl 1, slip over. So go on and bind off all stitches till the stitch marker. Here I am. So last 2 stitches, purl 1, slip over. And now I will show you how to join first and the last stitch. Cut the yarn. Here you will need a yarn needle or a hook. You may use hook. Thread the tail. Find the first stitch and pull the tail underneath both loops from front to back. Now pull the tail into the center of the last stitch this way and pull. Here it is, and the headband is ready. Now let's weave in end. and cut the yarn. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today and for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are looking for a written instruction, you can find it on my blog. There will be other headbands tutorials as well, so you're welcome to check them. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I wish you all a good day and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye for now.